Hello, 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 and welcome to the Divine Soul Shop, where we explore, engage, and expand on all things spiritual. And today I'm really excited to introduce the Divine Honey line, Daddy Let's Divine Honey, Divine Soul Shop Elderberry +6. We got some nice little tester jars for you, $5 a jar. This one has elderberry and 6 other herbs in it to help with not only immunity but your digestion. We have rose hips, lemongrass, raspberry leaf, horsetail, nettle, oat straw, and green milky tops. I love this honey here. It is really, really good for digestion and immunity. So, and next up we have the calendula and hibiscus. I did a lot of research on this, on herbs that would help with cardiovascular, and calendula is very good for inflammation, and hibiscus is good for your cardiovascular system. So once you take it, it feels like you're like a breath of fresh air. And I call this my breath of fresh air honey here. But also we have the lavender and chamomile blend, which is sort of like a sleepy time blend, but it's more relaxing than sleepy. One of my favorites also, but we're researching constantly. The jars will get bigger. Right now we're just testing. Y'all let us know how you like it. So far so good on everybody who has tried it. So thanks a lot for joining us. You can pick it up at www.divinesoulshop.com, or you can do a pickup, or we can ship it to you. So we'll see you soon.